Hello everyone, this video is all going to be about the framing of this decking. So we are using metal or aluminium framing with plastic risers. And yeah, it's all going to be about this, the fabrication, how we do it, the clips we use, everything we use on this job will be explained in this video. So stay tuned, please like and subscribe, and hopefully you enjoy the video. So just wanted to go through all the brackets that we use to fabricate this metal frame decking. So we got those brackets, they're flexible. So if you've got a beam that is hitting another beam at an angle and you want to link them together, this allows you to have that flexibility. Then you've got those straight pieces, is to link 2 3-meter pieces together like this, and it comes with all the right fixing self-tapping screws. And then you've got the corner pieces, so self-explanatory, they go inside like that, and same again, using the right fixing, they bolt on together. The system we're using, we're putting a beam every 900 like this, and then we've got our rafters on top every 300 centers. So to tie them together, we use those clips, little clips either side, going like this, and they get tied together. So that's the way we do it. You have to use all those fixings. You can't use your own self-tapping because they might corrode the aluminium. That's why they're blue, they've got this special coating on there. And yes, it's all from Millboard. So Millboard, you can see the company. And it's a very good product. Once you get your head around it, how to use it and how it all comes together, it's very easy to use. What you need to look out as well before I move on is those holes are offset. So you can see, if you want the screws to be hidden in that part, you want to make sure the holes are offset at the top. If you have the holes at the top, the screws will come through. So look out for that as well. This is the leveling, the riser, the leveling clips. I don't know how you want to call them. So it comes in 4 parts in different boxes. This is a self-leveling clip. You can see it fits in like this, and it's got a bit of pivot, so it self-levels out the beam. So this goes on the riser. So this is a riser, and if you need to rise them, you can clip them together like that, like this. So you twist them in. So if on one end you need to be higher, you can pick and choose 2, 3, 4. As well, it comes with a little foot, extended foot, but we don't have them here. So then you clip this in here, the self-leveling clips. That goes like that. Then you take the thread, this threads on like this, and then they clip in like this, and there you get your cross beam. This to adjust the height of the cross beam. And yeah, you can even see on the side, I don't know if you can see, you can adjust them to a certain level, just like that. You don't have to spin them too much, so you can have them all at the same level if your sub base is fairly flat. So yeah, so you need to bear in mind when you're doing this this job or working with this product that it takes time just building those up, because it comes in boxes. You can see the box there and boxes behind me. It all comes separate. So, you know, you have to make a little chain and just allow the time to put them all together. So once you got your leveling clips already, you level your cross beam. We're going to call them cross beams, and those are the rafters, just to make it clear. So the cross beam need to be every 900 centers from each other, and the risers every 900 as well. So it just makes it clear, and that's using this profile. So this is 51 mil. So, and I'm going to lower the 2-centered one, just like that, I level end on end, and then I can just rise the two center ones to where we need to be at. So like this, I can refer to a tape measure, keep them fairly square. 20, 70, here we go. And then using a level, I'm going to use this one. What I need to make sure is we're going to have a rafter on top, and this rafter needs to be level with this pool cover bead. So you see I need to come down a fair bit. So once we're happy with that height, we can take this off, take a smaller level, and level them out. You can put a full, depending on what you're doing, and depending on what decking you're using. Some will cut more and hold water, so you can always put a little full towards this way. Here we are working fairly level all the way around because we need to be level to the pool. So that's our decision, but it's up to you to work your falls in. I'm going to go a bit lower, and you see it's quite simple. I got it touching the bubble here. Come and have a look if you can focus on that. So it's a tiny fall, touching that line a little bit, and then once that's done, I'm going to put that one here. I'm going to raise those gently until they feel tight. You see, you can hear them touching, and you don't want them to lift that side. So that's touching nicely. That's already touching. And that's perfect. Then you can use your level, check it against here. Very good. And you move on and you repeat that procedure every 900 centers. And when I mean every 900 centers, from cross beam here to here, no more than 900. So we're going to repeat that, and then once this is done, we can put our rafters every 400 center. That's a maximum. We're doing them closer, we're doing them 300 because the decking is laid at an angle. So that's what we decided to do, and you can see we'll just bring them through here, and that's actually quite quick. I wanted to chat about the cutting. So we're using our miter saw, Makita saw to do that. And it's like chopping wood, just a bit slower. And you definitely need to wear your glasses, your ear defenders, because it's so noisy. But it cuts really easily. I'll show you. So you can see it's really clean. It doesn't leave too many burrs, and that's the way we cut it. So I would only say make sure to wear your correct PPE, and as well it leaves a lot of dust. So if you've got pets and stuff like that, you want to make sure to sweep up at the end of the day, because now we'll get in their paws. It does go a bit everywhere, the metal dust, if you like. So yeah, that's the way we cut it. You can see I've got the rafter cut. So Jono's cut the rafter. We had to nudge that side of the rafter to sit on top of that blockwork. And then I use those as spacers, like this. And then grab a few of them clips that I was showing you previously. A few of them clips. Impact driver. And drive them in. I do end on end, so either side like that. Here we go. And two in the middle. One on that side, one on that side. I just put one at the moment per cross beams. And then once it's all done, we'll go around putting the rest of them. Hi everyone, so once your framing's all complete, you have to hammer those composite trims, if you like. So they go in like this, and this, the reason why you have to hammer them is like that you create a perfect seal between the edge of the aluminium frame and the plastic. So you see it expands, lets it go in. So like that, if any water goes on there, it will run off, it won't go into the actual aluminium frame. The string that I'm going to cut this edge to the string line. So I'll be using the string line as the guide and running it through like this without touching it. And I'm using this Makita skill saw. So everyone, we are done with the framing. Now we're moving on to the boarding using Millboard. but that will be for another video. But if you like the video of the framing using this aluminium frame, please like and subscribe and comment below. If you've got any questions on things we haven't covered, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer those questions. It was really enjoyable to build, and as well, the reason why we went for an aluminium frame here is because it's next to the pool, and it just makes sense with all the water splashing to use this product. So yeah, it's been really good. Hopefully you liked it. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.